If you plan to go out to eat today, you may notice there's more people dining in. That's because starting today, restaurants are allowed to operate at 75% capacity. 25 News reporter Joel Lopez joins us now with more.
Because you may find yourself closer to other people when you go out to eat, the health department is stressing it's still very important to do your part to stay safe from coronavirus. Entering the third and final phase of reopening Texas means restaurants can allow their dining rooms to fill to 75% capacity.
I am seeing less face masks, which sometimes make you a little bit nervous, but all we can do is protect ourselves.
Restaurant goers like Linda McDonald says she's paying extra attention to make sure where she chooses to dine is following the CDC guidelines.
When you come in, first of all, you're sitting every other table and they're wearing their mask, and I can see the workers in the kitchen because it's like open kitchen.
All right, ma'am, here's your food.
And for those reasons, she chose to eat at True Jamaica Restaurant in East Waco.
Even in this crazy time of COVID-19, I try not to dwell in the fear and just try and think what we have to do and just take it one day at a time.
Vivia Charles is the co-owner and chef at True Jamaica. The restaurant first opened just before the pandemic hit and say their business was able to make it to phase 3 by adjusting to CDC guidelines and support from the community.
We've worked so hard, and for a place in this community, we want to be protective of the community that gives us their trust. So that's why that's so important to us.
Since the beginning of the month, we've seen an uptick in cases in McLennan, Bell, and Brazos counties. And with those increases, health officials continue to stress caution.
We are reopening Texas, and that's very exciting, but it's important to remember that the virus hasn't gone anywhere.
Kelly Crane with the Waco-McLennan County Public Health District says when you go out to eat, you should look and take note of what the restaurant and staff is doing to keep you safe. And of course, monitor your own health to keep others safe.
And if you're not feeling right, there is nothing wrong with contacting your doctor about what your symptoms are, because there's a possibility it could be COVID and you can be tested.
If you don't feel like a restaurant is following the proper guidelines at 75% capacity, you don't have to dine there. Many places are still offering takeout or curbside services. Joel Lopez, 25 News, Waco.